Okay, so first we're starting off with the Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. Now, it does exactly that. It is very, very hydrating, and the second I applied it to my hair, I was just like, oh, okay, slip. So I kind of was able to detangle my hair with the shampoo in, so I was able to kind of melt away some of the knots with the shampoo, which I always say that's a plus for me, because when it comes to adding the conditioner, it makes detangling so much easier. So this shampoo is infused with rice amino acids, avocado oil, and tomato fruit ferment extract, and this helps hydrate and enhance your curl texture without stripping it from its natural oils. Okay, but can we take a moment for this shine though? And you can even see the definition from just rinsing out my shampoo, which speaks volumes to me. So next we're gonna go in with the Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Shea Curl Defining Conditioner. Now, this is another product, as you guys saw when I applied it to my hair, my reaction, it left my curls so soft and made detangling seamless, literally seamless. I love this shampoo and conditioner combo. When I tried it, I was like, all right, these are gonna be two that I'm gonna keep in my stash because they are bomb. Honestly, I have nothing but amazing things to say. I did feel that my curls were definitely defined once I removed this product as well. It was bomb. And yes, I know I conditioned my hair, but I am also going to be following up with a deep conditioner because I never skip this. So next we're going to be going in with the Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask. Now, I have yet to try a Briogeo mask that I don't like. They're all amazing, and this is literally I have nothing but amazing things to say. The second I applied it to my hair, it melted into my hair. It kept my curls super defined, juicy, and on top of all that, I actually sat under the steamer as well. So what helps about conditioning before deep conditioning is that your hair is already detangled. You tend to use less products because your hair is already moisturized from the previous conditioner. So this is typically like my go-to method. I know I'm not the only one who does this. I know a lot of you guys do this, but it just tends to save me so much time. So I kept it on for about 25 minutes, sat under the steamer, and my curls were so soft and defined. I honestly love this mask in addition to all the other Briogeo curl masks. Okay, you guys, so I just rinsed out my deep conditioner and look at this definition just upon rinsing. My curls feel so soft, and this is the first time that I style my hair after my haircut, so I'm super excited. Feels so good to not have straggly ends. Like, I'm just living. I'm living for this haircut. I love how easy it is to detangle my hair right now. I know it looks a little bit shorter because it was definitely a lot longer, but it's still pretty long. And I'm not really that mad because honestly, I'd much rather compromise a little length just to make sure that my hair is healthy. So far I've shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair already using the Briogeo products, and I have nothing but amazing things to say. Everything was so far so good, and I'm not surprised whatsoever. So we're gonna go in with the next few products. We're gonna go in with the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. I've not tried, and I'm excited, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's definitely like a creamy texture, but it's not really thick, it's kind of watery, but still feels very creamy. So I'm gonna add it to the perimeter of my hair, and ooh, it's so soft. Yes. Wow. And it smells very fresh. Okay, so I just added that to the perimeter of my hair. It's super duper soft. Let me brush that through. Such a difference brushing products through my hair. So that was just with that little amount, and look at how my curls already look. I'm really excited. I haven't tried any of their styling products per se, so I don't know if their gel has holds, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna add some of the leave-in to this side as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the leave-in, about this much. And brush it through. Okay. So next up, we're going to be using the Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Quinoa Frizz Control Gel. I'm a little nervous because when it comes to gels, I just want them all to have the same hold. So let's see what the texture looks like. Okay, Okay, so this is what it looks like. Feels very light to me. So let's add it to this section. Okay, so this is what the first section looks like. I do feel like I had to add a few pumps to it. Like I squeezed it out of the bottle maybe 3 times. So let's see. Maybe this was a stubborn section, but let's see how this looks throughout the rest of my hair. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did before, add some of the leave-in, then the gel, and then do the exact same thing throughout the rest of my hair. So let's see how it plays out. Okay guys, so these are my wet results. I just finished styling with those 2 products and my curls look super hydrated. The one thing I will say is the gel. So I feel like the gel doesn't have that much hold. I mean, as of now, it still looks good. You know, doesn't look too crazy, but there are sections that are not like fully held by the gel, so I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. I hope it turns out well. Do you guys see? The one thing I will say is that I had to use a lot of this gel. I felt like I kept applying and until I felt that it was giving me like definition, I didn't stop using it. So as far as the amount that I used, I have like about this much left. So it won't even last me for a second wash and go. So that's something that I'm a little bit about. Let's see how the final results turn out. I think I'm gonna diffuse. It is really hot out today, so maybe I'll air dry. I'm not sure exactly what I'll do. But I will show you guys once my hair is fully dry. I mean, my wet results look pretty promising. But I don't know. I'm a little nervous because of like this. Like, I'm nervous. So let's see how it all turns out. I'm going to dry my hair and then I'll be right back. Let me show you guys the back, by the way. This is the back. The back looks so much more full now that we trimmed out those ends. I'm so happy. But yeah, so I'm gonna dry my hair and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I didn't even bother putting on like a whole face of makeup because, you know, I typically do that when I'm showing you guys my final results. But honestly, I know at the top right here, it doesn't look too bad, right? But these results, here, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see this area. Do you guys see? I literally have like little to no definition in some parts of my hair. Look how dry it looks. And I'm so upset because I really thought it was gonna come out a little different. Now there are some parts at the top that are kind of defined, but as you can see, my front sections are acting up. There's just a lot of frizz. I don't understand. I know I'm really close. Let me pull out a little bit. So yeah, I knew there was gonna be a lot of frizz, but I mean, these like dry patches are not what I expected because both products did feel really nice in my hair, especially when they were wet. But this wash and go is not gonna last. Like honestly, this wash and go is not gonna last me more than a night because I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and have little to no curl definition. Like, what is going on here? I am just, honestly, I'm very upset with the results. It is what it is because honestly, not every product is designed for each person. So I just thought that it was gonna work out and I thought it was gonna give me better results. But turns out that that combo is just not for me. It's just not gonna last. Like maybe if I could go out and pull it off for one day, but look guys, like there's literally little to no definition. So yeah, I'm a bit upset about that. Overall, like here, it doesn't look too bad, right? But again, if you look at it closely, and I was outside and I took some pictures, and I'm gonna actually tag them on here so you guys can see. It just looks so crazy, and that is literally the same exact wash and go. I sent it to a friend who has been asking me about trying Briogeo styling products, and she wanted to see how it worked in my hair before she went and purchased them, and I literally sent them to her. She's like, did you even put it in your hair? So yeah, so that's that. But what I will say is that those products were just not designed for me, and they just don't work for me. That does not necessarily mean it won't work for somebody else. I have seen Briogeo styling products work amazing on other people. The shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner were amazing. Like, when I'm telling you guys, they were top notch. Like, they were bomb. Like, they were so good. They left my hair really moisturized. The leave-in wasn't too bad, but the gel just didn't have any holds. Like, I need, you guys know I don't rely on my, oh my god, this looks so bad down here. You guys know I don't rely on my cream stylers to actually give me holds. I rely on my gels to do that. And this gel just didn't give me the hold I was looking for, or the hold that my hair needed. So first of all, it is really hot out today in Connecticut. So if I was to go outside with this hair, it would literally be massive, because I don't feel like there's anything really holding it down. It is really soft, but I don't feel any hold, and that's really important when it comes to my hair, because my hair cannot be tamed and I need a good gel. But what I will say is the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner, I would 1000% go and purchase them. These products were sent to me by Briogeo, so I'm glad I was able to try them for you guys. And I love and hate being a guinea pig at the same time, because I love that I can kind of give you guys an idea before purchasing a particular brand. So like, let's say if there's a product that you want to try and you resonate with my hair type, it does help to see how it works in my hair and how it stays in my hair for a few days. So it definitely helps make decisions. If you're somebody who has like dense, curly 3C, 4A hair and you just need like a really good hold gel, like, you can definitely come to my page and see if it works for me. It'll probably work for you. My hair is that type of hair that, like, when I'm telling you that it's not picky, but like, even a super hold gel sometimes is not like super holding on my hair, because my hair is just like alive. So I felt the texture of the gel and I already had an idea that it probably wouldn't work, but I did not want to judge, because I have been shocked by some gels. So I mean, honestly, this gel is just not for me, and that is 1000% okay. The leave-in, I kind of want to revisit and see how it works with other gels, like maybe the Wetline Extreme Gel or the Eco Styler Gel, and see if it's something that can pair nicely with one of those, because it did feel really nice in my hair. It felt really soft as I was applying, so I want to say that maybe the gel is what kind of did this for me, because the leave-in was fine. It didn't give me hold, but like I said, I don't go to, oh my goodness. I'm jazzed, because I'm like, I really wanted to love these products, but the styling portion is what threw me off. Like I said, the beginning, shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, amazing. I would go and purchase them. Even though I didn't purchase this collection, I would 1000% go and purchase them. But come on. I know on camera they don't look that bad though. I know for a fact they don't look bad. But when I'm telling you guys, if you get close, like, what is going on here? Like, this side literally has like no definition. It's just like on certain top pieces that you can kind of see it. Yeah, I don't know, man. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Also, comment down below if you've tried this collection and you have similar hair to mine, or if you've tried any other Briogeo styling products, and see how that works for you guys, because I am very curious. Very curious. And yes, I styled it with soaking wet hair. I don't know. I really wanted to love it, guys. I really did. I went into it with such a like positive mindset, and it just didn't work out in my favor. It's okay. Like I said, not every product is for everybody, and I'm happy to help anybody that I can, because again, there's pros and cons to being a guinea pig, because I love that I can help other people, but when it comes to me, now I have to redo my hair. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.